Correct tutorial, how to create a budget report. We'll begin by opening the General Ledger. From the Workspace menu, select Accounting and then choose General Ledger. To choose accounts you want to include in your budget report, you can use COR's flexible options. You can select a single category or multiple categories. You can use the Shift click or Command click to choose individual subcategories or accounts. Once you're happy with your selection, you can right-click and select Create Budget. The Create Budget view will open. In the header section, you will enter a date, a name for your budget, and any notes that you want to enter would go here. Entering seed values. To propagate audit values for each account for use as a guide, enter dates in the Date From and Date To fields, and then select the Execute button. If you are new to Correct, you can skip this step. Entering budget amounts. Begin by entering an amount in the first account, then tab and enter an optional note. Continue tabbing and entering all budget amounts. The budget total will be calculated automatically. When you've completed your entries, select the Save button. Viewing budget reports. From the General Ledger, choose the Budget Review button from the options. The Budget Review view will open. Use the search function to find a saved budget report by entering a name, specifying a date range, using the wild character in the name field, or simply leave all search fields empty. Then choose the Lookup button. A list of saved reports matching the search criteria will be displayed. Executing the budget report. Choose your desired report from the list. In the Budget section on the right, enter the Date From and Date To propagate audit values for each account. Select the Execute button to generate your report. Understanding your budget report. The report provides a complete summary of the financial status of each account. It displays the budget, the period of spending, and split columns for each account. The split column shows amounts either in red or black. Red indicating the amount over the budgeted amount, while black indicates the amount under the budget amount. To print your report, select the Print button. Choose your print option from the Print dialog box. There you go. That is how you create and print a budget report in Correct Accounting. Thank you for watching.